to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan. I look scruffy. It's scruffy. And before I go into the work week and before my face starts like really driving me nuts, I need to shave. So I'm gonna be trying some new stuff from Lush for shaving. But before I show you how this new product works, first, I want to take a moment and thank Dossier for partnering with me on this portion of the video. So as I have been telling you about Dossier, they are a high quality fragrance brand that takes your $100 to $300 fragrances that you find at your stores. It reproduces them, still giving you all of the high quality ingredients and scents that you know and love for a fraction of the price, like $29 or $39. Like, in addition to that, there's no middleman, so you're not paying for any of the extra things that come with going to a big box store. None of that's in there. It's you, your device, and Dossier, and the scent of your choice. That's it. Point blank, plain and simple. Now, another really great thing with Dossier is that they have a 30-day return policy, which I absolutely love. So let's say that you go onto the site, you order your scent, you're super excited, you get it, you spray it, you don't like it. They allow you, even though you have used it, they allow you to go ahead and be like, So you can either exchange it or you can get a full refund. Now, when you order your fragrances from Dossier, they come in a very nice, easy, recyclable box that very simply says Dossier. And then once you pop it, you get iconic scents, designer qualities with no markups. Now for this month, I went with the Oriental Tobacco, which is inspired by the Tom Ford Tobacco Vanilla Eau de Parfum. So I've not said this any other time before, but every time that I actually order a scent, I have went to the mall and tried the original one to see how it works. I just never record it. I always forget. So this time I remembered. When I tell you that you cannot tell the difference between the two of these, it is uncanny. So with the Oriental Tobacco, this is from the men's side of things. The top notes are tobacco, ginger, and apricot. Middle notes are honey, vanilla, and cocoa. And the base notes are tonka bean, dry fruits, and blonde woods. Now, first opening it, you definitely do get the tobacco scent, but once you spray it on, it actually you get a good scent of the cocoa, the ginger, and the apricot. After a couple of hours is when you settle a little bit more into the vanilla and the apricot. Slight bit of honey, this gives it that warm scent. And then as it dries down into like the 4th, 5th hour, I'm gonna guess you get more so the tonka bean and the blonde woods, but the apricot is actually still there to me throughout the whole thing. Apricot and cocoa. Now with the scent that it is inspired by Tom Ford, I will tell you, after being at the mall today and checking out the price, yeah, we're talking well into the hundreds. Well into the hundreds. So again, I have a discount code that is down below. I don't know why you're not clicking on it if you haven't, but you really should. Great thing about it is that you get the welcome 20% off. Plus, when you click on my code, you get an extra 10% off. So we're talking about 30% off either $29 or $39. Save the money. Keep the money in the bag. So again, I'd like to thank Dossier for partnering with me on this portion of the video, and make sure you click the link down below for savings. Now, let's get this face good and clean and baby smooth and so unirritated. Like, my face is so itchy. Now I'm gonna be trying the new shaving gel cream from Lush. It is their shaved ice. There isn't a whole lot about it other than it is going to do wonders for your skin and with your confidence, and that is gonna give you a cooling, minty sensation. So let me first go wash my face because you always shave on clean skin. Then I'll come back, we'll test it out. It'll be a first impression. All right, skin is nice and clean and fresh. Now I did wash my face with, of course, lukewarm water, but what I did after I went back, made the water a little bit warmer, just kind of filled it up in my hands and then just kind of held it and splashed it over my face here, just to kind of help the hair soften up, just to kind of make the shave a little bit easier. So it says that I want to massage this gel-like cream onto damp skin and shave as you normally would, then rinse off. So I have got the Bevel ready to go, and make sure you click down below for a discount code for a Bevel system. All right, my face is starting to dry out a little bit faster than what I want. I'll be right back. Okay, a little bit more warm water and wet my face again. So a really light pat so it's kind of damp still. Typically this will be in the shower, but I'm not about to shave in the shower with y'all. Let's look at the consistency here. Interesting. Okay, so let's. Ooh, menthol. Well, I like that. I like a good mint, so massage it in. Yeah, that menthol ain't no joke. And because it is a gel cream, I decided not to go with my shaving brush to mix it up. I felt like it may not have worked as effectively because it says not to expect for it to like foam up. iPad, so I can see. Okay, so. Let me run to the restroom so I can see how this looks. I can't see it that well in my, I'll be right back. Okay, so looking at it, not bad so far, not bad. Let me go ahead and do the other side. Got it as good as I'm gonna get it on camera. Just the cream, just going over it, not really lining everything up. First impression shave. So let me go now, rinse it off as it says to do, and I'll come back, talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. So I went ahead and rinsed my face with lukewarm water, as we always rinse our face with lukewarm water. Let's get closer. All right, that might be straight. So, looking at my skin in this shave, you hear it? Not the closest shave that I've gotten. I actually got a much closer shave when I used the Lush Dirty. And remember that any pop-up videos that happen above will always be linked down below for you to watch after this one. I have not tried that with my Bevel. I know in that video, because it was so creamy, it was clogging up the old growth and evolution.
I'm so sorry, that is the old me.
It was clogging up the disposable Bic that I was using at the time.
C-H-E-A-T, cheap.
So I might need to re-explore that with my Bevel and see how it works, but it gave me a much closer shave than what I got here. This shave is...
It's okay, just okay.
But I'm definitely gonna have to go back over this a second time to get it as close as I'd like for it to be. Feeling my skin though, my skin is really soft. I'm still smelling the menthol. There is a layer of, I don't know, butter or oil that's there. It's very light, so I think my skin has a nice moisturized feel to it, which I do like. There's a slight cooling effect that's still happening with it. So based off of what it said, close encounters, close shave, the cooling menthol is going to do wonders for the skin, and that the oat milk and the olive oil is going to help the razor glide over the skin and reduce redness. So the ingredients are great in it, like great ingredients off the rip, but you know, Lush, so it's kind of a given. Close encounters, I would say maybe semi-close encounters. It's, like I said, not the closest. The mentholing and the cooling sensation that it does, really like that. And then as far as it gliding easily and smoothly over my skin with the oat milk and the olive oil, I definitely would say yes. So what I would need from it is for it to give me basically a closer shave than what I am getting. Everything else, I think it definitely did what it said that it was due. I just I need it a little closer. All right, so let me know in the comments down below if you have used the new shaved ice from Lush. Did it do everything for you that it said that it was going to do? Did it get a close shave for you? Oh, and also to note, it did not clog up. My bevel, so I do appreciate that also. But did it do everything for you that it said that it was gonna do? Was it a close shave for you? One and done? Did it soothe any irritation? Did you feel that nice moisturized kind of feeling that you got on your skin? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, make sure that you like this video. Feel free to press the subscribe button because I give you a little bit of everything over here. Feel free to share this video out as someone else may want to know how the Lush Shaved Ice, their new shaving cream for men, works. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning in to JermaineAuNatural, and I'll see you in the next one.